Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the router actually broadcasts a 5 GHz network. Many dual-band routers use separate SSIDs. On your Samsung, go straight to Settings, tap Connections, then Wi-Fi. Once there, make sure Wi-Fi is turned on and allow the phone to scan. This finds both 2, 4 and 5 GHz SSIDs. If you don't see a 5 GHz name, move closer to the router and rescan. Interference or distance often hides the 5 GHz signal, so eliminate those first. Once the 5 GHz SSID appears, tap it and enter the network password precisely. Capitalization and special characters matter. If your router supports WPS and your Samsung model does too, you can use the WPS push to pair quickly, but passwords are more reliable. Then open Advanced Options on the network screen to confirm the band preference is auto or 5 GHz. This prevents the phone from falling back to 2, 4 GHz. Also verify IP settings are DHCP unless you use a static address. After joining, check the network details to ensure the phone shows the 5 GHz band. You should see faster transfer rates and lower congestion. If it won't connect, restart both the router and your Samsung to clear temporary handshakes. If problems persist, move closer for initial pairing, then change the router's 5 GHz channel to a less congested one. DFS channels sometimes cause issues. Finally, ensure the phone's Wi-Fi driver is up to date via system updates before deeper troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.